Hi, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. We're propertyforsalemarket.com. That's www.propertyforsalemarket.com. Marche is spelled M-A-R-C-H-E, Marche. We're in central Italy in the Marche region. We're just about a 2-minute drive from a hilltop town called San Ginesio, known for its panoramic views. This is the house we're going to visit today. First thing I want to tell you is we're here on a beautiful day in July. The sun is shining and these beautiful oak trees provide a tremendous amount of shade. Got about a hectare of land here. You can see we're surrounded by some agricultural fields. Private drive brings you down to the house, which is completely private. And as I mentioned, it's only about a 2 or 3 minute drive to the village. You'll notice right away just beautiful stonework. House has a big tiled surround all throughout the exterior. All sorts of places to sit outside. You even got a hammock that's tied up there to a secular oak tree. Again, I can't overemphasize the beauty of these oak trees and the shade they provide. Landscaping is all simple, low maintenance, colorful, but again, low maintenance. Have a nice portico, which is a roofed structure with a big outdoor dining table, sun loungers. What's really nice about this portico is that while most of them are tiled just under the roofed section, this has a really big semicircle section delineated by the shrubs and the flowers that forms a unified part of this outdoor area. You see the pool area, just spectacular views. These are the Sibillini Mountains in central Italy. The house has a perfect southern face, so it's full day sun. Nice feature of the house too, architecturally, it's not a rectangular, boxy house at all. It's got some cantilevered sections. Perfect peace and quiet. You'll notice, and we'll point this out when we're inside, but lots of windows and doors. So lots of windows and doors, coupled with a southern face, lots of light inside the house. Lots of nice high-end stone work. The walkway down to the pool. And also there's a retention wall that creates a terrace effect. Nice big pool. Sun loungers. What's also nice about this house, obviously the view to the south is spectacular. But I have to tell you that I particularly like the view from the pool to the house just as well. Look at that. Really excellent. Keep in mind we have about a hectare of land. It's 10,000 square meters, or about 2.5 acres. It's mostly flat and it's mostly low maintenance, all of which are immense benefits. We come up back to the house. And one last thing I'll show you on the outside is that we have both an outdoor storage room that's also doubles as a laundry room, boiler room, and then very intelligently, There's a little WC out here. So if you're poolside, you can come in here and take care of things without traipsing through the house. We'll now take you out in the inside and we'll have a look there. We're going to head inside. You see a little more of the stonework. There's lavender all along the line. We have the main entrance to the house. Actually, from the drive and the parking area is here. There's also, we'll see when we get inside, a lot of access points from the portico. Coming here, what's really nice is the house, unlike most houses, it has a proper entryway. So it's spacious, beautiful old beams, old pianella tiles. The house has these classic rustic elements that are just beautifully executed. You can see we have radiator heat, gas heat, these various touches with little ledges that use the old pianella tiles. Really interesting feature is this was where they had an old oven in the old house, an old bread oven that was left here as an incorporation of rustic style into the new house. We have a nice little step down. I'll start you off in the kitchen. Again, here's where I mentioned the access through the double door from the portico area, pool, and the views. Simple, well-equipped kitchen, dishwasher, all the rest, a proper fridge. Another nice rustic touch to store all your essentials from the local vineyards. This nice little niche that's in the kitchen. One thing that's really rare, is beautifully executed here, is these old wood planks are used in certain rooms for the ceilings. These are really, really particular. There's a nice sort of rectangular opening, dining area. Let's call it the indoor dining room, because your outdoor dining room is right behind us under the portico. Again, I call your attention to this house has lots of windows and doors. The windows are very good quality from a local supplier, double glazed, excellently maintained. They all have insect screens as well. There's a bigger rectangular opening that takes you from the kitchen dining area into a real feature room in the house, which is this living room lounge, which has really high ceilings. So above us here, there's no additional volume. So the idea is that you get sort of 1 3/4 worth of floor heights in this particular room. Really nice beams, nice height. And you can see we have 1, 2, 3 windows and the big double door. Also here we have an impressive fireplace with an old lintel, working fireplace. And again, another double door here. And a really interesting feature of this house is that off of this main living section is a really big master bedroom suite. Also with high ceilings, beautiful beams, some exposed stonework. And here as well, oversized 4 windows. This is great because if it's just 2 people, you live on 1 floor. Very evolved way to live, that is, on 1 floor. And if you come in the winter time, you only heat this floor. It's just a really terrific feature to have this kind of a layout where literally 2 people can live on 1 floor. Can't emphasize how nice a feature that is. The bathroom is just simple materials, clean, neat, all well maintained. And you do get a terrific view from the seated area, we'll call it, in the bathroom, out the window, over the pool, and over the Sibillini Mountains. Okay. We're going to exit the ground floor, and we'll take you upstairs. Heading upstairs, a really nice feature is they have used all the original materials from the original staircase of the house, where the animals used to live in the stalls downstairs and the people would live upstairs. They recovered all the old materials and have incorporated them into the staircase in the house. Really nice. Up here, it's super simple. One thing about this house is that, simple is something everybody wants and it's difficult to execute. The simple has been executed perfectly here. Come upstairs. Nice, luminous bedroom number 1. We have bedroom number 2. And we have bedroom number 3. These are set up as single beds, but these could easily accommodate double beds, matrimonial beds, etc. And then these three bedrooms are supported by a really big bathroom. Again, clean, simple materials. There's a proper bath. And there's a nice big shower stall. And that's the upstairs. Again, if you'd like information on this house, be sure to visit our site, www.propertyforsalemarketing.com. You can click on the link from our YouTube channel. It'll drop you right into the site listing. And feel free to contact us via email, WhatsApp, whatever it is that works for you. And we'll respond to your questions on this particular house and anything in the video that you'd like to know more about. Thanks again for watching. We appreciate it. Great house here outside of San Ginesio, Le Marche, Central Italy.